Hello everyone. If you are viewing this video, you are possibly needing assistance with adding yourself to a Google Classroom. So this tutorial is going to be for students attempting to use my Google Classroom or teachers who want to kind of duplicate this web quest. So if you are on my Geography of the 13 Original Colonies web quest and you've made it to task 2, you are probably attempting to join Google Classroom if you have not already. So here, one of the first statements is first be sure that you have joined our class via Google Classroom using the following code. The easiest thing, just to make sure you have the code, is to copy it here so you can paste it into the Google Classroom join a class section. So for tutorial purposes, I already have my Google Classroom open. If you're using Google Classroom on an iPad, most likely you have it downloaded as an app, or if you're on a computer, you go to classroom.google.com. So once you go to classroom.google.com, top right hand corner on the app or on a web page on a computer, you're going to see a plus sign. Click the plus sign, click join class, and paste your code. Be sure that you haven't put any extra spaces in there and that you've copied the code correctly. Then join the class. Okay. Shortly we'll see the class pop up in my list of classes, and the assignment that is associated with the web quest is already here for me. Now for teachers who would like to create a class or broadcast their code for their students to join, we want to navigate to your classroom. So here I already have a list of several classes that I use throughout the year. I want to use the same class associated with my web quest, so I would click on U.S. History. Here we see the class code. So to share it, either you can see it here, write it on the board, or you can click display. And this may not be large enough, depending on what you have at your school. If you have a RecordX board or any other type of interactive board, you can broadcast it there, make it much larger to take up the screen, and your students can copy that down or type it in from what they see on the board. So that is the code option. And we just want to exit out here. If you want to create a class, and you start from the beginning, obviously, if you didn't have any classes here, it's your first time using it, this would be blank completely. You want to do similar to what the students have done to join a class is click on the plus sign, create a class, and then type in your class's information, whatever content area, whatever section, whatever subject, and if you want to use your room number, you can do that. So we'll do this quickly. History, we'll say first block, social studies, and we're not going to add a room. Create. Takes a few minutes, but once it's finished, you will see the class pop up. And there we go. You can add students either manually by clicking add, type in the email address and invite, or you can also add your co-teacher or any other adult who would be assisting with teaching your class and invite. Thank you for watching my tutorial.